Good afternoon, parents. Welcome to Southwest High School. My name is Mr. Dueñas. I am your child's teacher in Algebra 1, bilingual algebra, or bilingual geometry. Now, what I'm sharing with you guys is a presentation. It's a short one. It's just going to give you some brief information as to what is important for this class. So you'll see there's our banner at Southwest High School. And just a brief welcome. It tells you which courses are available. There's some Google link codes that are important that your child has and has already joined my classes, and those are visible right there. You can watch this video and pause it at any time and just basically write down the information that you think is important. For example, my email address. If you need to get a hold of me, you should email me at gduenas@mycuhsd.org. Okay. One thing that is new is that we will now have intervention or tutoring time on Tuesdays at 1:20 until 2:15. So basically, this is not a mandatory session for students, for all students, I mean. It is a mandatory session for those students that need the help, and the teacher decides who is supposed to show up on the given day. Okay. Now, if your child requests the extra help, then they are definitely welcome to come. But when the teacher decides, hey, um, Johnny needs to be in tutoring, then Johnny must be in tutoring. Okay, at that point it becomes mandatory because we are trying to make sure that your child gets the extra help that they need as we are monitoring their progress and we are seeing that perhaps they missed an assignment or they're struggling on a certain topic, and we want to be able to give them the extra help that they need. So we invite them into this mandatory tutoring session, and it's a special classroom. It's a special different Google Classroom, and the code is right there on the bottom. What I did when I created the course is I had every single student sign up for that course. And that's every Tuesday. Now, here is my grading categories so that you understand what is important for the course. I do give several homework assignments, and you can see that those are 30% of the grade. Now, I've created a system where it's extremely important for your child to turn in every single homework assignment. Now, if they are absent or if they are late, I give them opportunities to do it. I do not care if I get it on the due date. What I care about is being able to see what they know. I want to grade them on the work that they are presenting to me and the amount of information that they actually know. So that's why homework assignments are mandatory, and they can be turned in late. Okay. Tests are 35% of the grade. And those are some of those things that are kind of like a one-shot deal. They cannot retake them, and it's very difficult for them to really recover from them if they do poorly on them. But the quizzes are the types that they can definitely retake. So basically, if they are completing all of their homework assignment and they're completing all of their quizzes, then and doing well on their quizzes, then they've done everything that's expected of them. And so when they get to the test should be easy for them. And it's 35% of the grade. The midterm, which is going to be coming up in mid-October, is going to be 4% of the grade. And the final, which will not happen until December, is 6% of the grade. Now that will cover us for the first semester. We will still have to do the same midterm and final for the second semester. And that's my grading policy. Now, here is a survey link that you can write down or follow. I try to make it a hyperlink, but since this is a recording, I do not know that you can click on it. But you can definitely type that into your browser and answer my survey questions. It's not a lot of questions, just a few, but it does give you the opportunity to ask me any particular question about your child. Thank you very much, and welcome to Southwest High School.